The Arctic is warming twice as fast as the rest of the planet. Researchers here witness the impact of CO2 emissions every day. But small changes in the home can make a difference.
We've been living here for a year now. It's been very isolated from the rest of the world. It's really simple living.
So yeah, in the summer you have more or less light 24 hours a day.
Our routine all depends on the weather. If the weather is good, then we'll be going out.
My main research is in the marine environment, and I collect biological data, especially in the small communities like phytoplankton and zooplankton. The extent of the sea ice is really important for these small communities, and that is the basis of the food chain, so it's so important to whales, to humans, to all life. Our CO2 emissions are literally melting the Greenlandic ice sheet, and that's the largest contributor to sea level rise globally.
I go and measure CO2 and methane in the soil. Extreme winter warming events are more and more common because of climate change. The increased temperature affects microbes in the soil, which could cause them to release more CO2 and methane into the atmosphere. After the small marine life, soil microorganisms are the most abundant living things on Earth. They're crucial to life.
You hear a lot about climate change, but when you're here, it's really becoming apparent and real that the climate is changing.
Yeah.
And we can see it, we can feel it, and we can see it in the data, and we can see it just outside the window.
Moving here, we realized that our daily habits actually affected the climate. Temperature really makes a big difference.
By analyzing the life cycle of laundry, we know that the largest contributor to greenhouse gas emissions is heating the water. Cycles at lower temperatures significantly reduce energy waste. Because Ariel is designed for colder water, it's a small change in the home that could make a big impact on the planet. Ariel, every degree makes a difference.